Hey guys, this is Matt with Amplify Fit, and today we're going to be doing a quick home workout with no equipment necessary. Let's jump right in. For today's workout, we're going to be spending all of our time on the floor. We're going to be doing 5 exercises, 2 sets of each, with 30 seconds of rest in between. So we're going to start that out with push-ups, followed by reverse snow angels. We're going to go into hip thrusts, and we're going to finish that with flutter kicks and plank side steps. So let's start it off. I'm going to be putting 30 seconds on the clock. We're going to be starting this out with push-ups. So we're starting in 3, 2, 1, go. There we go, first 30 seconds. Now we've got 30 seconds of rest. And I just want to point out, if you can't do a push-up, it's quite all right to do them on your knees, like so, or even Cobra, where you're just leaving your lower body completely flat on the floor, and you're still working the upper body. Whatever works for you, no matter what your level of experience, just get the work in. 10 seconds left. Prepare yourself mentally, round 2 is coming. We're gonna be flying through these ones really quickly, so just give me what you got. Take breaks whenever you need them. Here we go. 30 seconds on the clock and go. All right, 30 seconds rest. We're going straight into reverse snow angels. They look like this, so you're flat on the ground. Your arms are out. You're gonna be lifting your upper body and bringing your hands all the way back like this. Simple enough, right? So, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. 30 seconds. That's it. 30 seconds rest. Make sure that you're catching your breath. If you need a couple more seconds, that's all right, but try to keep up. If this is your first time doing the workout, it's okay if you don't do the full 30 seconds. All you need is practice. Even I lose my breath doing this. So we got round 2 for reverse snow angels coming right up. Get into position and go. 30 seconds rest. Next, we're going to be hitting our hamstrings. So that's the muscle right here under your butt and a little bit of the glutes too. So you're lying flat on your back and you're going to be pushing your pelvis towards the ceiling, holding it for just 1 little second, bringing it back down in a controlled fashion. 7 seconds, guys. 3, 2, 1, 30 seconds. Go. Notice that you really want to get a squeeze in at the top. Don't matter about counting reps. okay? The number doesn't matter. All that matters is the effort that you're putting into it. Don't forget the squeeze. 30 seconds. Got a break for 30 seconds. If you need to grab a swig of water, now's the time. But get back quick because round 2 is coming right up. Whenever you feel out of breath, kind of like now, you can hear I'm breathing really heavily. Taking a big inhale and exhaling all that CO2 is a really good idea. Round 2, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know why I'm counting. I really don't need to. It's time-based. So you see, 30 seconds, 2 sets each, 10 minutes, we're done. There it is, folks. All right, it's almost over. Breaks my heart. We're gonna finish this up with 2 core exercises. We're gonna be starting with flutter kicks. You're on your butt, like so. Put your hands next to your glutes. Feet are out, and you're gonna be bringing them up and down in a scissor motion while keeping your core nice and solid. If you're strong enough, please by all means get your hands off the floor, but if not, you can put them on your sides for extra support. Starting at 1, we got 30 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1, go. See, nice and controlled. You don't want to go super fast. It's useless. What you want to do here is be nice and conscientious about the movement that you're doing, keeping it nice and controlled. You might actually feel it burning in your hips and your quads, and that's quite normal too, because you're trying to keep those legs straight by flexing your feet towards you. And that's it, 30 seconds. We got our break. We got 3 sets left, guys. It's nothing. Get the work in, you'll be happy that you did. It's important to maintain some activity, especially during these times where we're all stuck inside. So don't make any excuses. You see that you don't need equipment to do this. So just get it done. Round 2, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, I'm doing this one, hands off the floor. Just gonna hold like this. If you need to support with your arms, I'm quite okay with that. If you're feeling for a challenge, join me. More than halfway there. Two, 1, there you go. Only 1 exercise left, guys. Plank position. We're gonna be doing side steps. Now, side steps is pretty much what it sounds like. You're in a plank position, and you're gonna be bringing your right foot out and back in. Your left foot out and back in, so on and so forth. 30 seconds. This is the last 2 exercises. So get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Keeping the hands under the shoulders, keeping your core nice and tight. And just stepping out, stepping in. If you have to take a break, put your knees down. That's it for the first. 30 seconds rest. This is our last one. Whew. Even getting the sweat out of this. Okay, 10 seconds left, guys. Get into position. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, let's go. This is the last 30 seconds. So make sure, once again, you're keeping that core nice and solid. Don't let your body bend down. Step in, step out, controlled manner. Keeping those hands under the shoulders. Coming up on the last reps. There you have it, guys. And that was your short home workout for today. See you guys next time.